Yeah.
What is your approach to, for lack of a better way of saying it, reconciling the verbal with the visual, the words with the picture? How do you make the two work together?
Well, I mean, hopefully, how do I make the sort of visuals and the words work together? By having a visual sense myself, so that, you know, I try as much as possible, even though I'm not an artist, to approach a comic script as if I have an artist's eye and decide what will work on a page and what won't, and what image will get across what I want to get across without having to have cumbersome word balloons or word panels in it. You know, I honestly urge anyone to look at Larry Hammer's silent issue of G.I. Joe he did, which is a sort of masterclass in telling a story without any dialogue whatsoever. And, you know, I think that you should always have in mind that, you know, you may want to sort of impress people with your purple prose, but really a comic should be primarily a visual experience, and that the word balloons should just complement the artwork and what you see on the page and provide a little more character depth.